Have you ever wondered what it was like during the Civil War? Today we're traveling back in time, exploring the top 5 Civil War reenactment events that bring history to life across the United States. Each event, a vivid tableau of a bygone era, offers a unique chance to witness the battles, tactics, and hardships that defined a pivotal period in American history. So without further ado, let's embark on this historical journey, starting with number 5. Number 5 on our list is the Gettysburg Reenactment in Pennsylvania. Here, the pivotal Battle of Gettysburg, a cornerstone of the Civil War, is brought back to life. Picture this. Authentic encampments sprawled out, the air thick with the anticipation of battle. Massive conflicts, mirroring the grand scale of the original encounter, unfold before your eyes. Engage in educational activities that deepen your appreciation for this significant period in American history. A truly immersive experience, the Gettysburg Reenactment is not to be missed. Next up at number 4, we have the Battle of Cedar Creek Reenactment in Virginia. This event revives a pivotal Union victory in the Civil War. It's a vibrant tableau of history, complete with cavalry charges, infantry advances, and the roar of artillery demonstrations. The Battle of Cedar Creek was a turning point in the war, a testament to strategy and resilience. As you watch the reenactment unfold, you are not merely observing, but immersing in a momentous chapter of American history. Witnessing this reenactment is like stepping into a living history book. At number 3, we explore the Olustee Battle Reenactment in Florida. This event commemorates the Battle of Olustee, the largest Civil War clash to have taken place in Florida. Here, history enthusiasts get a chance to fully immerse themselves in the Civil War era. They can observe the intricacies of warfare strategies, the hardships endured by soldiers, and the overall atmosphere of the period. An engaging experience that brings history to life, the Olustee Battle Reenactment is a must-visit. Coming in at number 2 is the Battle of Chickamauga Reenactment in Georgia. This event takes you back in time, immersing you in one of the Civil War's most significant Western theater battles. The reenactment is meticulously detailed, giving you a glimpse into the camps and strategic maneuvers of the time. You'll witness the careful planning and execution of tactics, as well as the profound sacrifices made by soldiers. The Battle of Chickamauga Reenactment offers a deep dive into the strategies and sacrifices of the Civil War. Finally, at number 1, we have the Siege of Port Hudson Reenactment in Louisiana. This reenactment takes us back to the longest siege in American history, a grueling 48-day encounter. It vividly illustrates the strategic tactics employed and the severe hardships endured by the soldiers. The event provides a deep dive into a significant chapter of our past, offering an immersive educational journey. A powerful reminder of our history, the Siege of Port Hudson Reenactment is a captivating and educational experience.